Hello everybody, I'm Lacquer Lover, and today I'm back with this Got7 Lullaby music video inspired nail art tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started with base coat. I'm using peel off base coat. Once base coat is dry, apply white polish to your index and middle fingernails, a light pink to your ring fingernail, and blue to your pinky and thumbnails. On the index nail, use a fan brush to draw on a gradient with the blue towards the cuticle and white towards the tip of the nail. Then use a darker blue and repeat the steps. Once that is done, then use white and light blue to draw on some streaks in the blue part. Then we're going to start painting on the feather. Start with a light purple and draw the basic outline of a feather with some wispy brush strokes. Then use a medium blue at the tip, and then the center, use white polish to draw a line, and then use blue to outline that white line. Then use the same blue to draw some short lines radiating from the center blue. And then use a medium purple to draw some other lines and fill in some areas of the feather to give it different colors. And then use a blue to do the same. Then use the purple and color in more. Next, we're working on the middle fingernail, which starts with a black circle in the middle and then do a ring around that, leaving just a little bit of space between the small circle and the big circle. Then fill that in. I did another ring and now I'm working on the final one. In total, you want 3 black rings. So I'm working on the bigger one, which has the thinnest gap between the previous ring. And then just fill in the space between the tip and that ring, as well as the cuticle and the ring. For the ring finger, fan brush on a gradient of pink and purplish blue. Then apply top coat, and then section off the middle part of your nail with striping tape, and then in the middle you want to write Got7. When you're done, peel off this striping tape and then just add the dangling part of the T with more black polish. Then for the pinky nail, we're doing a galaxy design that starts with sponging on white polish and leaving some of the blue on the bottom seen, and then you want to use black polish around the fingernail closer to the cuticle. Then use purples, medium blues, and different types of each shade to create a galaxy look. Once you have all the colors sponged on, then use your paintbrush and dot on some white specks. Then on the thumbnail, do something similar with white polish, sponge that onto the center towards the bottom of the nail, and then use a bright pink around that to create a bursting nebula galaxy kind of look. And just repeat this and build up the layers so that you have a good mixture of a light pink, a hot pink, and the white in the middle. And also use purple around everything so that it gives it some depth. Once you have the base galaxy, then use white polish and a paintbrush and go ahead and blob on some white specks around the hot pink area, focusing mainly in the center and then having fewer dots around that. Then use the same base blue polish and go over some of the white specks so they're not as bright, especially in the dark blue areas. Apply top coat to the design. It's okay to smear it a bit because then it'll just look more blended. And then write Lullaby across the design in the middle. Ideally, you want it to cover the pink part of this nebula galaxy look. Once you're done, apply a generous layer of top coat to your fingernails. So your Got7 Lullaby nail art design is complete. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then make sure to give it a like and also to subscribe to this channel, Lacquer Lover, and I'll see you all in my next nail art video. Bye everyone!